ka-friendship! Welcome again sa aking munting kusina. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng napakasimple, napakamura, pero napakasarap at napakasustansyang ulam. Okay? Magluluto tayo ng adobong sitaw. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Isang preheated cooking pan, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. And then, isusutay natin ang ating garlic. Idagdag na rin natin ang ating onion. Saka ang ating sitaw, ang ating string beans. Ayan, sautay lang natin ng kaunti pasensya. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating shrimp paste. Ayan, igisa lang natin ito siya. Igisa natin siya ng at least 2 minutes. Season natin ito ng salt and pepper. Ayan. Pepper. And at this point, pwede natin na siyang dagdagan ng tubig. Kunting tubig lang just to make sure na maluto yung ating sitaw. Okay. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Isi-simmer lang natin ng at least another 2 minutes or hanggang sa maluto yung sitaw natin. Balikan natin siya later. Ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating sitaw and at this point, pwede na natin ilagdag yung ating vinegar. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating brown sugar. Give a good mix pa siya. So, ayan. Simmer natin again ng another 20 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes pa siya. So, balikan natin siya after 2 minutes. At this point, ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating oyster sauce. Ayan. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating adobong sitaw. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our adobong sitaw. Okay, so ayan na, luto na siya ka-friendship. ready for serving na ang ating adobong sitaw. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating adobong sitaw. Okay, so garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Ayan. So, ayan na po, ka-friendship. Okay, friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating adobong sitaw for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Dr. Mira at your service. Always remember, to be kind is more important than to be right. Many times what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Okay? Ka-friendship, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!